iPhone X mostly have boot loop problems like showing Apple logo and keep rebooting itself. Here's the solution. If you've had your screen replaced, and the replacement was done by a third-party repair service, Face ID has been blocked on your device. This isn't a problem with the repair work that has been done. This is a check that Apple has placed on screen repair. This isn't a software check. It's hardware related. There is a tedious process that involves fixing sensors on the device after the screen has been replaced. If everything lines up the way it should, Face ID will start working again. The only problem is that this kind of process isn't easy to follow by the average authorized repair shop. iFixit has years of experience and more expertise than most tech repair shops and is able to do it, but for many users, the skill needed to fix the problem may not be available.